Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y17S, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into your device. So to get started, let's first take off the case of the device, if you have one on. And next you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device and the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip straight on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the device. You can see where the pin is holding, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out fully. On the tray, you will have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. So I'm going to start off with the SIM card. Come on, there we go. So that's how you would place your SIM and then SD card next to that. There we go. And then carefully insert it back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing holding these cards in place. There we go. Once you insert them, as you can see, they will automatically start working. It's already prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin, which will unlock the SIM card, and I should have some kind of notification about the SD card being inserted. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, there we go. SendDisk SD card, so it is detecting it as well. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.